Guys, in this video, we will see possible solution of error code 126. The specified module could not be found, error modified, not found on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system error code, then here are the fixes. The first one is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute the command as shown on screen, sfc/scan now, and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to privacy and security, click on it. From the right side, click on Windows security, click on it. Here, click on virus and threat protection, and a new Windows security page will open. Here, click on scan options, and you will find 4 options, out of which choose full scan. It will take longer than 1 hour, so wait till 100% or full scan completed in your system. Finally, choose scan now. It will take longer than 1 hour time, so wait till 100% completion. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and here type File Explorer options and open File Explorer options. Open it. File Explorer option window will open. Here, go to View tab from the top menu bar and uncheck the options Hide Protected Operating System Files Recommended. Uncheck this feature. You have chosen to display protected operating system files in File Explorer. Are you sure you want to display these files? Choose yes. Choose yes. Are you sure you want to display this file? Choose yes. And check whether your error is resolved or not. Hopefully it should